Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today I like to bring you to our Christmas markets. It would be lovely if I could give you all the smell as well. But if you hadn't had the opportunity yet to visit one of these beautiful markets in Europe, where all the lights, the Christmas trees, all the art and craft all around Christmas is involved, and it's a fantastic atmosphere, you know. I mean, outside hopefully it's nice and snowy, it's cold, and what you need best is when it is nice and cold, we do a mulled wine, Glühwein. And for this Glühwein or mulled wine, of course we're having a dry red wine, right? So I use today, a liter of red wine, and then when you're coming over here, you see this star anise, brown sugar, rum, orange, cinnamon, and some clove and fresh orange juice. And yes, I put a few cardamom pops in there as well. So it is a very simple and easy thing to do, right? So one thing obviously, please do not boil your red wine. You just make sure you bring it up to a nice good hot temperature, yeah, around 70 degrees. That will be more than sufficient. Yeah, and here we go. We're just putting two cinnamon stars in this 1 liter anise star, 2 stem of the cinnamon with the clove. Yeah, not too many, so 4. Yeah, and the same amount with the cardamom. Yeah, 4 or 5. So we put that one in, and of course all the rum, very important. 2 cl I used here, and as you can see, a good spoonful of brown sugar. We're putting that one in as well. Freshly squeezed orange juice, and I already strained it through a sieve, so there's nothing in it. So that's that. And even more so, we're putting maybe 2 nice thick orange slices in there as well. So I just repeat, we're having this beautiful dry red wine, cinnamon stick, star anise, clove, brown sugar, rum, orange juice. Yeah, this whole thing, of course, first of all the sugar has to dissolve, so we keep stirring it a little bit and keep it as a good temperature, just below simmering point, and probably half an hour. And so all the spices can get infused into this red wine, which then, when it is completed, we call mulled wine, Glühwein. And this one will be on the Christkindl's markets, on the Christmas markets. Yes, you can buy it. You can find this one on every stall you're going around and about. You know, here you have your gingerbread cookies. Here you have your little Christmas trees, what you purchase from the art center, and of course a sip of this mulled wine. And here we go. So this all the spices are in my red wine, nicely infused, right? So you can see them on, and they smell so good. Yeah, transfers me to the winter season in Europe. Of course, now I'm straining all the pots out. Just want to make sure. Yeah, it's very easy. We put it in this can here, in this teapot. Yeah, and yes, of course, it is essential that you always keep that warm. Now I have a little bit of a tea light here. I put it up here, and when you have your friends around on a cold winter day, right? You keep this one, and after a few sips of this mulled wine, the party gets started and everybody's in the Christmas spirit. Yeah. So here we go. I just obviously, somebody has to taste it. Yeah. Have to do the hard chore here. Okay. Let me see. Oh, it smells already good. The star anise, the cinnamon. I love it. And of course a little bit up. Oh, so nice. Alright, thank you very much for joining me on ChopChopChef. Till next time.